A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news na we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Imo State, I hear something where my ear no fit carry. Where our governor of Imo State talk, but that one secondary. First thing, you get one video where I see. I don't know if any other person saw that video. The video of ammunitions, armor tankers being converted. There's armor tankers, they carry on with the trailers. I saw the video. Somebody sent me the video. I made a video with it, but that is in my YouTube channel. I don't want to post it here on the Facebook. I want to be sure. So I'm adding you. I don't know the name. Sorry, but I'm adding you. So pick up the call. If you pick up the call, we can talk. And if you want to still call on WhatsApp, I will give you the number to call so you can talk. Just indicate, tell me on the comment you declined. Then why did you call? So what I'm saying is, so the video I saw was a video where trailer, long trailer, you know that long trailer, that kind of long trailer where Julius Berger they use very long. They use them. I saw armor tanks with some ammunitions, they carry them. And the person will do the video, where they talk for the video, they talk say that they enter Biafran land, because in Igbo man they talk that thing. That means the thing with the video now for Igbo land, they video the video, but the person say the things are heading towards Imo State. So I don't know if anybody follow see that video, if anybody feel confirm say not true. I beg, if you know about it, tell me say not true or tell me say not lie, because sometimes people go carry video will be old video post, or video will not be true post. So I don't know. So if somebody know about it, please tell me. And if it is true, that means we have to be extra careful. You saw the video too, Antonio. Thank you. You saw the video too. That means it's not an old video, because I've not seen anything. I never see any video will look like that before. I never see this. I counted more than 10 trailers, and from the time I started counting, from the person in the that was doing the video, making the video, the talk say in done the count since more than 50 don't pass. Only God will deliver us, so we have to be extra careful. Now, waiting they go on. They want kill us finish because we say we be Biafrans. They want kill everybody. Waiting they play, waiting they want play. Our governor, I saw him 3 days ago. You saw the video too. No be only me. It's been real. It is real. I saw it. You see him. So no be fake. This thing no be fake. Because I know say now for Imo State this thing they go true. No be lie. Now for Imo State, because waiting our able governor Hope Uzodinma come tell us for TV. I see him 2 days ago. That one make me shocked. He said no law against open grazing. He come out, come talk. Governor Hope Uzodinma, governor of Imo State, he come out, come talk, say no law dey Imo State will go against open grazing. Now only say Then we be Imo State people go negotiate with the people where they do farmer. Una don't see them. Una don't see what in there happen. I don't they talk for this channel, for this page, for this my YouTube Facebook page long time ago. I don't they talk and say purpose of them they pure. How you want make Funani come inside the Imo State, come they do open grazing? How? Waiting. Okay, now make we talk. This Funani, where they never even talk, government never even say a word about the AK-47 where they carry. Because before Funanis, they know they carry gun. Now, and all these Funanis, where would they hear? Where would they see? All of them, most of them, 80% of them are what do you call them? Boko Harams, Sudan, all those neighboring African, Funanis. Now they go gather, make they come in. You go, if you they watch this video, I think 2 years ago, from 2 years ago to last year, when Onyendu was making a comment, he will always show you video and tell you that these people are ready to bring their brother Funanis from all other Africas, mostly from Sudan. They bring them come. And that was the time, all hail Biafra McCoy, all hail Biafra. That was the time Buhari say open border for every African countryman we want to enter Nigeria, no shaking. That was the time they begin to enter the trooping, the videos they where they don't trooping finish. They can't go north, go carry cattle, come bring for them. Maybe they use them, they keep people, they collect their land. As hopes of them now say no law against open grazing, where everybody they cry say open grazing we no want. Hopes of them must stand, they say openly, stand to talk, say no law against open grazing. That means if una they cry for open grazing, no, if una say they no go come for Imo State, now waiting outside, now waiting for Nani decide, ain't go happen. So if Funani decide this night, as me and you they talk now, this hour, say they want overtake Imo State, purpose of them go just go sit down like this, they laugh. You go sit down, they laugh, carry drink yourself, join them, relax. Funani go take, they go kill us maybe as they want kill and take over. Excuse me. That is one thing. Do you know why? Have you ever imagined why our Biafra land know the border Funani? Have you imagined for once why we say all these their act against them, whether they use bandits and Boko Haram, they go attack some places for North, for Middle Belt, for Plateau, for Jos, and for Southern Kaduna? You don't ask yourself why. Why is because those people are the people that none of them are ready to accept money to sell their land. Nobody for those places, they're ready to compromise. Now, why they no one come for eastern, southeast? They know say if they call any man now, if they carry any man now, tell us say we go give you governor or we go give you minister for this. See what thing you go do for us. They don't buy up. It don't finish. Just as we get one governor now for east, southeast, we no win election. He no get second. He no get third. He no get first. He no get second. He no get third. Then they can't command the person wait there for seat, carry and pull for seat, income be governor. And then him now for that Imo State, name everything, evil things that happen pass. Why? Why? Funanis know say if they enter Anambra State, tell whoever they there, they go fit, they get power to carry and come out. When they carry and come out, they go put who they want. And the person where they go put, they don't tell us say, waiting will tell you to do, you go do, and the person go say yes. When we will tell you other guns and the shoot, And these people, you see, the ammunitions that came in, not be only the ammunitions come, not be only the ammo tanks come. The things will come. The things will come. I see soldiers. I see soldiers. And all these soldiers, none of them be from south. None of them be from southeast. No. All of them na Funani. How you go carry loads of Funani from north, conduct them for east? Say, people, where our soldiers, where come from southeast, where did they? Where are they? Where are they? Okay, now, with my brother Collins Musier, thank you. Almost help Biafra, free na Mazena de Galona, but waiting be the strategy. Waiting we want to. We don't know. We dey wait for DOS because DOS say they get plans. So maybe we wait for them because we know if we do anything. Because when DOS give order, people go follow. But if DOS no give order, people no go follow. Because if you go out now, go do demonstration, go do rally, go do any agitation, police will go come carry gun and shoot you for that country where you call Nigeria. Now, the only thing where we believe say it work, where we don't try once, it work, sitting at home, they say it no work again, they get better plan. Make we see the better plan. Now that better plan we dey wait for. May they release them. But may they no release them when it day late. Because waiting these armor tankers where me I see, it pass 100 where me I see. It pass. So hope was of the man. He is more powerful than all IPOB. He is powerful than all IPOB. Why do we keep on talking every day without any action? In fact, I'm tired of listening to stories. Collins, I'm tired of listening to any stories. Youths can destroy him, Haba. My brother, you know they easy like that too. You know they easy. You see, opposite of them, and when you see them they talk, you go see confidence. When he come talk, so when they ask him about what do you call it, about the sitting at home, he said sit at home. That was my maga, where some people use where they call themselves, and so he describe them, where call themselves IPOB, where say they be Biafra, they be agitators. Say he say he cannot work in his state, cannot work in Imo State. He said if he try, he don't go work. Purpose of them man know how to make people follow. He know how to buy people. And we are not educating our people not to be bought. That is one problem we have. That is one problem. That is why the last comment, the last video I make, I was asking DOS, please talk to us. Make statements that will make people to be strong in the spirit. Not indirectly, my brother. British is directly in charge. Not if they're talking direct, it would be like say they hide them. British don't they say they know they interested in anything Mazen and the again. What do you want now? How you want me to tell you say they involved? How you want me to tell you say they involved? UN is seriously needed it to come and intervene. Listen, we don't need to wait for UN. When UN go come, now when they see, say, you sit at home, this election, whether they plan for Anambra, it come, nobody go do election. Now that time UN go talk, say, these people, they serious. Referendum must come. But when they say some people go agree, some people no agree, nobody, UN no fit put mouth. UN go come put mouth when they see, say, you get wetin you they do. You they serious for wetin you they do. But when you know they serious for wetin you they do, UN know they come. You ain't no go add mouth. They no go talk put. It is say you ain't know they say that they kill people. It is say they know they see the masculine. They see them. They don't want to talk. They want make the people do something we could bring them come talk. Buhari make threats of genocide. In talk am, he did for video, not before newspaper self. He talk am, he did for video. He said the thing, those people where they talk of Biafra, they no fight war. So they go see waiting the one see. He go talk to them in the language they go here. And be all these armor tankers where you see in carry they go east. Those people where he want go kill there now. Those people where purpose of them allow them with the other eastern governors, allow them, make they carry those armor tankers, make they come stay there, make they come kill them. Those people waiting they do. When we get what do you call them? Armed robbers, kidnappers, terrorists, and we know where they are. And they still somebody go come talk say we don't know where they are. They look for them. Gumi know where these terrorists are. Gumi know cleric. Gumi, he know where those terrorists are. If they go meet them, if they do the video himself with those terrorists, with himself with those bandits, himself with the Boko Harams, himself with those people where they go kidnap. Gumi they do video himself. In the day you say these people need this, and government they give them. People where they're hungry. People where they're hungry. How they get money go buy AK-47? Make I ask. AK-47 na something where the na Noka gun, Noka local gun. AK-47. Person, you tell me say person they're hungry, and this person where they're hungry get money to buy AK-47. No be one, no be two, no be three, no be 100, no be 1,000. AK-47. If you see them using, they buy Okada. If you see them on Okada, you will count and lost count. You will not be able to count them. And all of them on that Okadas, they have AK-47. So who give them AK-47? So government, federal government of Nigeria know where these people they know how to negotiate with them, but they know only how to go to Sunday Igboho house for night, where they go kill them. Sunday Igboho run. When Sunday Igboho run, they kidnap the people where they there, kill the people where they kill, carry the other ones to put for prison. Now, judge don't tell them, let these people go. Government of Nigeria say they no go let them go. The same thing where they happen for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You know where the people were. Why you no go kidnap? Why you no go arrest them? DSS. Why DSS no go inside that bush where Gumi no say they? Why they no go there go carry them? At least if they say na fight they want, why they no drop bomb there make they finish them? When Buhari talk before say he know where Boko Haram they. Before, during Jonathan regime, in talk say he know where they. If they give him power, he go stop them. Within saying a play, he know them because him now one of them. Buhari, President Buhari, now one of them. He know them. If not, tell me how we suppose listen to DOS and be patient with them. Is still this DOS under Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Wash give us ESN. Yeah? No, nobody, my brother, Obitex, nobody they talk again. I know they talk against DOS. I never said anything against DOS. The only thing I'm saying is that we are lacking DOS. DOS is not giving us a broadcast that look like Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's broadcast. Nothing. You get some broadcasts where you go here, your spirit go strong. encouraging broadcast where you go here, you go dey ready, something wey go motivate you, motivational broadcast. That is what I'm talking about. That's the only thing I'm saying. I'm not talking against the DOS. When the other came sit at home cancelled or lifted, I come to my channel here, I said it. It is been lifted. Even though people that time didn't agree with me, some people insulted me. But I said it has been suspended. Let us follow it. So we are following DOS. But all I'm saying is that DOS should wake up. Things are happening. If we don't begin to motivate people by now, before you know it, this election will come. And before the election comes, people are already committed with the people involved in this election. And we will lose this election. Excuse me. Because this election must not stand. If Biafra must stand, if Mazi Onyedo must come out, this election must not stand. This election must not hold. The Anambra State election must not hold. I know. Hope Uzodinma, he crossed the line since. See the record, and if you see him the talk, if you see Governor of Imo State the talk with confidence. He say in don't sure for Imo State, in don't cover Imo State. Now Anambra State, you want make they go secure. That means the election that is coming, they want go plan how they go hold Anambra, make sure say that election hold. And then a bad thing, if that election for Anambra hold, for Onyendu to come out on a war, if we will be able to hold that election from not holding, from not working, from not standing, bet me, Onyendu will come out. Because if we hold that Anambra State election, that is the beginning of it all. And any other election in the southeast can never hold. But if we lose this Anambra State election, every other election will hold. Anambra State election is the beginning of it all. How are we going to hold it? We are not going to fight. Nobody will fight. Sitting in your houses, don't participate, don't vote, don't buy register, don't register, don't do anything. No, if you have registered, forget it. Don't include, don't involve. Simeon Ekpa said, if you are among those that are what do you call them? Voting officials, if you are among them that has been employed or appointed to do anything, don't worry. The money they pay is 5,000 or 10,000. Simeon Ekpa said he will pay you. Only show him the proof that you are one of them. He will pay you, but don't participate. As somebody else said, that they will bring people from north to come. It is not possible. They cannot bring a northerner to come and control the election in Imo State or in Anambra State or in Ebonyi State or in Abia State. Biafra land is that we are not united. We are not united. We have a lot of Biafrans that sabotage us, but God Almighty will punish them. And my brother, nowhere where sabotage no day. Nowhere where sabotage no day. They day everywhere. They day everywhere. Sabo, they fool. When Ojuku they fight, Sabo day. When Ojuku fight, Sabo day. They sabotage them. Many of them sabotage him. If many people where they around him, where full lamb beginning, where tell and say make we go. This idea we bring. Now there we day, now there we go die. Then finally, at last, now them call sabotage him. Who is this? I added no answer. And then call sabotage him. So when you're talking of sabotage, it's not a new thing. It's not a new thing, because sabotage must be, people must sabotage. But the problem is, if are we going to cry for their sabotage? When they sabotage, make we no cry for them. Make we no let waiting that they sabotage, make we walk. Because when they sabotage you, you dey there, they cry for the sabotage where they give you, where they do you. You don't say they don't catch you. But when you no look them, you go they go forward. No be person sabotage myself now, the color. A person sabotage them now. That's person sabotage them. Now person tell Guinea say he don't they come. Now somebody call him for Guinea, make it come. Sorry for what do you call Kenya. Now somebody for Kenya. They don't hear 300 million, I be 100 million. Madison Nande Anyaji. In fact, I am highly disappointed on DOS. They should be ashamed of themselves. My brother, what is your grievances? What did they verse you now? What did DOS do you? No verse. You see, sometimes DOS said, they told us, I'm not a member of DOS, so make you notice, say, now because they follow DOS because now them they in charge. So they told us that they have plan greater than sitting at home, that they found out something fishing. That is why they suspended the sit at home. So let us all follow them. Let us follow them. Because if DOS would come out and do anything and push any instruction, that instruction will go far. It will lead, everybody will be ready to obey. But one other person that will speak under, outside the DOS, that it means division, and that is when we begin to have problem. Some people will follow here, some people will follow here, and then the enemy will capture us. But if we all will wait and the surround DOS, will be like broom. We go be like broom. We go be like one big broom. So that when DOS talk, let us go to the right side. Everybody go right side. Let us go to the left or front or back. Everybody go follow. Go see things go waka. But waiting at they pray God, make their plan work. Waiting that their plan. Whatever it be, waiting it be, however it be, whatever it will be, make it be the plan. We go work for us. We will go there smile. When they bring us, we go there smile at last. That be my prayer. So me, I they wait for DOS for their plans because they have said it over and over again. I they wait for them for their plans. But the only thing I am talking is that let DOS look for somebody that will do that will be doing broadcast. That is all I'm saying. Broadcast that will ginger people. Broadcast will go make people mind stand. You dey hear one man say when you do that, if you make broadcast, even if you go love to listen to the broadcast. Anywhere you dey, that time of broadcast reach, you must to listen because that broadcast is something you need to hear. It's something you need, not you want. You need to hear him speak. That is the kind of broadcast I'm waiting and I'm expecting DOS. It doesn't matter who makes it. All we need, let it come from DOS. It may be somebody we don't even know. We don't need to know the person's name. All we need is the voice that will talk and tell us something that will make our spirit stand up and make the weak to stand strong. That is all we need. It doesn't matter. You must not tell us that is Mr. Emeka Ojiofor, or that is Mr. Emma Okonkwo, or that is Mr. Chike Doziem. No, it's not necessary. All we need is that this is Radio Biafra broadcast. This is the broadcast we need to hear, and the broadcast will carry power. The broadcast will have strength that will strengthen people. Many people are going down. Many people are weak. Many people are downcasted. And the only thing we need now is a broadcast that will always ginger us. Broadcast where we go there here and our spirit go there agile. The broadcast where you go here finish, you go do like say they don't give you drug, you don't shock, you go there shocked. You go stand up. Something, say you get some program where we say if you the watch out for TV, that time, anytime where that program reach, anywhere you go there wrong, make you go as go watch them. Say you can't do what? You can't, and we never do what most of them have done in the Biafran struggle. There is a reason Onyama or Onyendu Mazen and the Kalo choose them. My brother, I don't know who you are, but you are sounding as if what is his name? What is his name now? Anayochiku Kenneth. Please, I'm begging of one thing. Before you make comments, you listen and don't just jump in and start commenting. And because this is the kind of thing we are discussing now. This thing now, Anayochiku Kenneth. This thing now, this your comment now is the kind of thing we are talking about. Because you cannot just come into discussion and drop comment because you hear DOS. Do you know what we are talking about, DOS? Do you know what we are talking about, DOS? If you want to ask questions, you ask questions. You are not supposed to come and tell me that I cannot. I'm not DOS. If I would have done better, I would have been there. Listen, that you are a leader doesn't mean nobody will correct you. If they criticize Simeon Ekpa, so they criticize Simeon Ekpa. Yeah, I know. But there is no reason why for that. Listen, all these things are what we are saying. At this point, you don't need to fight against anybody. Anybody that is not fighting against Biafra is your brother, is your family, is your member. You don't need to criticize anybody at this time. Anywhere the person is coming from, anybody, whoever, whenever, wherever, that person is your family. You don't need to create divisions now. Not now. Every hand now is needed, because if all our hand will be joined together, we'll be able to carry something up. This Simeon Ekpa problem is something I don't even know why the problem is coming up. The news I heard or the information I got was that Simeon Ekpa, Onyendu from DSS detention camp was asked them to let Simeon Ekpa handle Radio Biafra. And that is when they began to tell him that Simeon Ekpa cannot handle it because he has not been a member of DOS. It's just like what I was saying, that all we need, even if you know the Simeon Ekpa, you know the important. What Simeon Ekpa they do on his own, is they okay? Like I tell you now, Simeon Ekpa, may you thank you, my brother. Simeon Ekpa, Simeon Ekpa, his program is something you will go and watch. You will have that's your spirit. If your spirit don't go down, if you listen, it go come up. So imagine when Simeon Ekpa they decided they do this kind of thing. Like when Mazonian do no day, now the Kalu day. Simeon Ekpa they do it broadcast. When man saying now when they never kidnap him, Simeon Ekpa, if they do in broadcast, if they do this thing now, when they do. So when you can't hear Simeon Ekpa finish, you can't hear Onyendu. You know what it be? You carry positive, German together, you go blow. Your mind you go be like, if you catch any food animal, you go eat them raw. But today, DOS know the I know say DOS is not working. So you where they attack me, are they sorry? The other day they watched me on Epa. Somebody was asking question of DOS. Another person was telling him, don't ever mention or ask anything about DOS. Whatever DOS talk is fine. Listen, DOS is not they are not ruling us. We are not what do you call it? We are not they are not we are not in so government. It's only in Nigeria government that you cannot ask the government question. DOS is standing in for us. They are leading us. They are not ruling us. So when DOS do something we don't understand, we can ask them questions. And you see, the time we were asking these questions, what happened? Why canceling or why suspending the sitting at home? They did not give us information. And before they came, after days, after about 1 week, they come to give us information or reasons. It is late. When Mazi Onyendu was kidnapped, they did not tell us anything. People were wondering. We were hearing side talks. I think 2 days after he was kidnapped, somebody told me that they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi. I said a lie. I said a lie. I don't believe her. Until they carry and come Abuja, carry and go court where they cover in here, they like saying be thief. I can't believe saying that true. And they don't believe them. So in this kind of thing, DOS go guide us. Abimokoko, I don't know anything, my dear. I don't know anything. But you will know everything. You supposed to address us. You supposed to tell us. You supposed to lead us where we go, they go. Because if you they lead people, you know they tell them how they go waka. You they make mistake. You they make mistake. Because you no go say we no go talk. DOS, we no go ask you question, we go ask DOS question. Because when you no ask DOS question, now be say we dey under lock and key government. We know they under lock and key government. Even when Mazi do they when in the make broadcast, people go call, ask a question. You know they tell them say you cannot ask question. You know they talk up. You never talk up. Now only when you talk something that is not relevant, he go tell you make you come off for line. He say no be waiting in the talk, in the talk. You they talk different thing. You understand me? So if DOS want to turn into dictator, that one me I know day. But waiting I day be say everything. I never say that anybody should not listen to DOS. I no talk so. I never for once say Oga Broadcaster, I am not talking. I don't know who you be. Who you be? Mazi, may God bless you. Not be you now. Who they do this? I know they see your name. Make I see your name. I know they see your name. If you want to talk, you talk. If you want to call on the phone, I will give you phone. I will give you this thing. I will give you phone. You will call on the phone. We will hear you. Everybody will hear you. Stop doing things that you are not supposed to. Anything, let me tell you something. Anybody where they hide, they do something. That in way they do no good. Anybody for this life, no be for this Biafra issue at the top. Anything where anybody go come they do, he go hide for back, he no go see him, he go they do him for back. That person now lie in the lie, and no better person be that. Now those kind of people they can't cause confusion. He go come tell you say this person talk this one, he go tell the other one that person talk that. Now those people they cause division. If you want to talk, I will give you my phone number now. You will call here and talk. If you want it on video, I will give you a link. You will link. You will call. Everybody will hear you. You don't just come in and start talking. I'm not talking against DOS. So you don't come here and start talking rubbish. Before you talk, you listen. You listen. Before you make comment, you listen. Don't be a fool. Because if you jump into conclusion without knowing what is being discussed, you are a fool already. Whoever you are, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry also at the same time. I'm sorry. You cannot just jump into the conclusion and into you cannot jump into the program I'm hosting and start telling me that DOS I am Okoko and this one. You are a fool. You're a very big fool. You're a very big fool. I have to say my mind. And what I'm saying is my mind. We are not blind. If you ask me to stop sitting at home and I ask you why do I have to stop sitting at home? Am I stupid? Am I disobeying you? No. Stop sitting at home. I stop sitting at home. Then I ask you, what happened? What is the reason? That is what any reasonable human being should ask. It's when you tell me as my leader, stop sitting at home, and I tell you I will not stop, I must continue. Then, or you see me come to this broadcast and start telling people nobody must listen to DOS, everybody must go on their own, then you know that I'm disobeying DOS. I'm going against DOS. I've not done anything like that. So why will you come online and start saying rubbish? And besides, your comment is coded. You are stupid. You're very stupid. You are an idiot. I'm not even sorry. You are stupid and you are an idiot. If you want to do anything, if you want to make a comment, let's see you. I am in support. I am in support of DOS. The only thing I said here, that I said that DOS has not done good, is the media, the mode with which they broadcast. That is the only thing I'm against in DOS. Like I said before, in a time like this, it is not important who the broadcaster be. Instead, they hide the person's name, don't give the person's name. Waiting Biafrans need now. Now somebody where they go hear the voice. We be say, if you hear the voice, you go, your spirit you go motivate your spirit. Now waiting me at the talk, your spirit go day awake. Why many are asking questions that should not be asked is because they are not getting the information they need to get. They are not getting the motivation they need to get. When Oyendu was there, you will listen to him every time motivated. Even listen, it's even better. Listen, if I go back every day, I go back and search one of the old videos he made, and I listen and I feel better. There's something different than it is different. Giving me information is one thing. Hosting a discussion or interviewing people online is a different thing. Then making a speech is another different thing. There are three different things. I have seen, DOS has hosted them. They are hosting a conversation, dialogue. They are doing interviews, but they have not given speech. This is all that I'm saying. Is it wrong to say it? Or if anybody knows that they have given speech, tell me to keep quiet. This is the speech. Give me the day they made the speech. I will go and listen. That's all that I'm saying. I've not said that DOS is not doing well. I've not said that they are. I've not said anything against them. I only said about the speech. That's only what matters. You don't make people to fall before you raise them. No, it's better to tell somebody how to stand than to allow that person to fall before you raise him up. No, it will cost you 10. Look at what is going on today. Just simply because the sit at home was suspended and no reason, just suspended. Had it been that the day the sit at home was suspended, somebody made a broadcast from DOS and said that this is the reason why, Biafrans, please let us sit at home for this reason, it wouldn't have gone this far. It wouldn't have gone this far, because this is the time that the enemy want to come in. And with all this, the enemy comes in and do things that they should not do. They come in now you see them planting seeds everywhere. You see the enemy planting seed everywhere, every corner, in every soul. You see people, listen, do you know, I would have, is in this phone, I would have shown you a message somebody wrote to me. Somebody wrote me, I don't know him. He wrote me a message. I saw this person in his picture. He's being gathered and surrendered by army people and mobile police. He said he was telling me to stop this thing that I'm doing, that if I stop it will be good for me, that this and this and this, that Ohaneze is doing this one, that if I want they can help me project and make me advert this one, that Ohaneze is planning good, that Mazena, Ohaneze will not, I don't believe Ohaneze have anything good to offer about Mazen Nandekal. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. If they have something to do, look at how Yoruba people are fighting for Sunday Igboho that is in Benin Republic. How many times have you seen any man, any Igbo man in public stand and say anything against what is happening in Biafra land, what is happening to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, if not only Senator Baribe? Who again? You that say I'm talking rubbish, you that call me Okoko, who again? I should not talk. I should keep quiet. Have you seen, look at Obasanjo, former President Obasanjo. He went all the way to Cotonou to visit Sunday Igboho. He went all the way. He traveled to Cotonou to visit Sunday Igboho. And not only that, after visiting Sunday Igboho, he went and have a closed-door meeting with the governor of Benin Republic. Many of them, many personnel in Yoruba land are going to Cotonou to see Sunday Igboho. Many of them are standing in making speeches. How many people have you seen that come to make any speech about Nnamdi Kanu? How many people have you seen that come out to say that what this government is doing against Nnamdi Kanu is wrong? Who? If you want to fight, you fight. You cannot fight from behind. Make your stand clear. You cannot be supporting me from back. You don't want people to see you because you are in a political position. What are you doing with the political position? If you are supporting Biafra and you are in political position, you are a sabotage. You are a saboteur, mean to say. You are a sabo. So, anybody that is Igbo president, anybody that is Igbo president, or Igbo financial minister, governor, waiting for election, and this person is telling you, we are sending lawyer, we are sending representatives to stand for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that person doesn't mean it. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. Because if you are fighting for me, if you are supporting me, you are supporting me because you believe in what I am doing. So if you are supporting Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you will support him because you believe in what he is doing. And he believed that the election should not hold. He believed that Biafran should stand and the Nigeria should go, that there should not be Nigeria. So you cannot be standing in Nigeria and bringing hand into Biafra to tell us Biafra will stand. Oh Biafra, when you are standing in the land of Nigeria, what stops you from coming into the land of Biafra and stand and lift up your two hands and say, oh Biafra? That is the problem we have. You hear people always say, why the Igbo people are against Nnamdi Kanu, why they don't want to come out is because he's disrespectful. You know the respect person. How you go respect person? How you go respect person? When Sunday Igboho of Oduwa land, when they never catch him for Benin, in call for say the day when in call for MKO Abiola to remember June 12, to remember June 12, in call for rally. And when Nigerian government said they no go do the rally, see every Yoruba man, all the men, they come out from their domains. All of them, they come out. Say government want kill, make the first kill us before they kill our youth. You hear them kill, you hear them stop them. They do rally everywhere. You don't ever see that kind of thing in Biafran land. You don't see. If you don't see, tell me yes, you don't see. Or you send me the video, make I hear. Wait. Why you no go do this? Why you go respect you? Waiting be respect. If you don't keep yourself, say they go respect you, nobody go respect you. If you make yourself a rat, bush will eat you. Now tell me how you think say Sunday Igboho go ever open mouth insult any Yoruba man? You tell me. In the Benin, no be inside the Nigeria, in the Benin, you know Benin Republic. From Yoruba land, all of them, they go meet them there, go talk with them, go take care of a family. If they happen for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, how many people, your governors go meet them? Your governors, who you don't hear say you go meet Mazana and the Kalute? Who you hear say you don't go visit a family? Ever since where they want kill and where they go kill people for a house, in mama die, in papa die, who come out? But before we talk, make we count our teeth with our tongue. If our DOS really fighting for Biafra, DOS knows that Nigerian government kidnap. DOS know that one. Yes, that one. Nobody they know. DOS know say they kidnap him. Yeah, DOS no tell you. No, they kidnap him. Nobody they tell you say they no kidnap him. They kidnap him. DOS the work. I never talk say they do the work, but the only thing why they talk in a time like this. We no need who be who. We no need names. We no need who there for power and who no there for power. The only one thing we need now, now to go on, to move on. Anything where DOS know, say they go do, gather themselves together. Make they do them. Gather themselves together. Make them no let the enemy see the grow. Because if he grow, it go worse past every other thing. Make it no grow. Make it no grow. So for those of you where the things say me are there against the, I know they against the US, I beg, I know they against the US, because if I dare against the US, that means I did disobey the US. That means I no follow, because the US now waiting Mazoyen do and be the foundation way in there. So we go follow them until we see say they don't do something we no good. Then we go say we don't want them again. Yeah. But for now, they don't do anything. So why you no go bet them? Why you no go follow them? We go bet the US. We go follow the US. Yeah. We go bet the US. Go follow them until they do something. We'll show you say you no go follow them or you no go bet their instruction. They don't talk say they get plan way better pass sit at home. So why we no go follow them? Why we no go bet them? We wait for that plan to come. We wait for the plan to come. And the plan will come by the grace of God Almighty. The plan will come. With you, all of us want now, make Onyendu come out. Finish. Make Onyendu, make deliver, make it come out. So my people, I go end the video here. I beg. So for those of you where the things say me, are they against I know they against the US at all. Now my mind I talk. My mind, as it did for my mind, I talk, say, DOS no do well for broadcast. Don't finish waiting I talk. Finish. And DOS, make they know the drag who go there on top and who no go there on top. Finish. I'm the only thing with me I talk. So now there I go end this broadcast, I beg. And then make on remember that girl, Gloria, I think Gloria Okolie. If you see her video, I beg, share the video. Make the video they go viral until they release that girl. That girl is innocent. Imagine a girl of 18 in police detention in Owerri. First of all, they use this girl as a sex slave. They use them. You go wash their clothes, go cook for their house, do many things. They go carry and come out for 90. Every policeman go come carry and when he want. What did they carry on for? Person where you catch, say he did detention. They go carry on when they want. Come out to carry and come back for prison when they will carry and come back for the cell when they want. So now those ones who go they think no be all these things. And there are more tanks. There are more tanks. War ammunition where they carry enter Imo State yesterday. And they asked whether anybody sure say no be true. Make I hear say no be true. Everybody they tell me say they see the video the same yesterday. The same way me I see them. That means it's not true. So only God will deliver us. And the governor of Imo State talk say nothing in the Imo State law stand against open grazing. That means open grazing is welcomed in Imo State. That's the only thing he's saying. That open grazing is welcomed in Imo State. So only God will deliver us. Only God will deliver us. And like I talked before, make everybody be careful. some family for Umahia, I think Abia State, I know. Some family, somebody go buy suya, buy juice, go home, gather in family, make they eat suya. I said they buy suya yesterday. As they eat and finish, all of them die. All of them die. So we go be careful. Make those things where our throat to the long go. Make those things where we know send and funani, because they are wicked. They can do anything. They can do undo. Imagine the whole family, about 7 people, they die. The only 2 will not die because they did school. That made them not die. So at the back, make everybody they very, very careful. It is important we be careful this time, because anything, anyhow, and the way you dress, no dress like ESN people. I beg, make ESN no say that they be ESN. When they want fight in ESN, make they go look for them, fight them, because they know say person no be ESN, they go carry them, because you know fit see ESN for road, you go the work out with the uniform. No. So when they see person now, you wear black and black, they go carry and say it be ESN. Or when they see any small thing, will be like a red, black, and green, they go carry you, say you be Biafra man. You they support Biafra. They go carry you. They just, police in Nigeria, the way they work. Not that they know they do anything good. Now evil work they do. So everybody must be careful. I beg, make we be very, very careful.